Alright, what's up, YouTube? I'm doing a bike check here of my 100% custom. Well, it was a DK Valiant, but you know, it's a sex mobile now. I ride around and pimp the bitches in this. Alright, so first we're going to my rims in the back. I have an Odyssey hazard light back rim, and I just got a new Odyssey driver for it. I have an Odyssey hub in it also. I got two G Sport plugs, front and back. I got the cog spacer right there. Got the Animal Hamilton pedals, Fit Bike Co seat. Got the Animal seat post right there. I got the Eastern sprocket, DK Social cranks, Eastern Racing stem. I got the Animal race bars, DK Tsuma grips. I got a pair of Eastern bar ends, and I got and my front tire is a Maxxis Holy Roller on a Kenda big block rim. My back tire is it's a Haro smooth glide. Haro smooth glide. You know, I threw this shit together myself with my amazingly made my frame. No, sorry. Here's my bike.
An integrated seat clamp.
Integrated seat clamp. I fucking